I address you this morning following the successful holding of our country's harmonized general elections from the 23rd to the 24th of August 2023. At the outset, I want to congratulate the nation for our peaceful conduct before, during and after the election process. This is who we are as Zimbabweans. We fought for the right to vote over a 16-year armed, protracted liberation struggle. The democracy and the right we have exercised through our vote was paid for by the supreme sacrifice of many sons and daughters of our great country, Zimbabwe. I must commend the nation across all provinces for the huge turnout in exercising this sacred right to vote. As the people of Zimbabwe, we have demonstrated that we are a mature democracy. In line with our constitution, we are collectively deepening and entrenching constitutionalism